Alrighty. Down here in Edgewater, Maryland, today, guys are finishing up a pier lighting job. What do you say, Mr. Bird? You think there's some more snakes down here again?
Probably. There were, what, 3 yesterday? Plus
Yeah. Yeah, that little eel was down there. The snake was trying to get the eel. I don't know who won that battle. They were going at it, weren't they?
I think the snake probably won.
You think? Maybe.
Excuse me. I'm looking for Rudy.
Hey, buddy.
You seen him?
We don't see it in the water.
Rudy, how's your day going?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Getting hot quick today, buddy.
Yeah, it's hot. More right here because it's...
Humid?
Yeah,
You there on the water.
it's going straight.
Getting everything caulked up, Jersey. Getting it all mixed up. Wood chips with the glue. Making up your magic potion. Yeah, buddy. Who can't swim?
Rudy.
He can swim.
No, we don't swim. That's why he thought we already used this one right here.
Yeah, water's deeper than I thought yesterday. That ladder was way in there.
Yeah, it's way all the way in there.
Water's nice and deep here.
Yeah, but I think so it's a little higher that way and this one over here because yesterday when we already put the light there, it's go all the way through. Yes, only we already see right here, right in here.
Yeah, your eye level is higher
right
up.
level.
With your ladder, you mean?
Yeah, the orange ladder is.
How tall is that ladder when it's folded?
Yeah, it's full.
Oh no, how tall is it?
It's 30. I think so. It's 35.
So it's 14 foot.
40 foot. Yeah.
14, 15, 16 foot long.
That was over half the ladder in the water.
So at least 10 foot deep here.
Yeah, it's more than that.
Right now it's probably about 7 or 8. It came up a good extra couple feet.
I mean, yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. The tide was high up here yesterday.
Yeah.
You're right, in the afternoon.
Yeah, you see on that one how grown up and where
Yep.
the black is.
Yep. You're correct, sir.
That guy either just brought that boat out of the water or just washed it or something.
Yeah, it's all clean in it. Heading down to the Navy Stadium next route.
Yeah,
Heading down to the Navy Stadium.
Yeah, that's the one we are go next. Yeah, because we need to find like 4 valves and there's 4 zones is never coming up. I
No?
don't know if the solenoid is bad or
Mm,
completely all top in valve.
gotcha. You see Greg this morning?
Yeah, I see. He left. He asked for you and he said we are coming back in a couple minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know where it went, but he told me we already come back in a couple minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Probably went down and got himself a cup of coffee.
Yeah, something.
Okay. All right. I gotta call Mr. Drew back. We'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna walk up here.
Okay.
All righty. Make a phone call and we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All righty. We're back in Annapolis today. Mr. Bird, what we got going on down here?
Finishing up. We're keeping up with the landscapers as we're putting sod down.
A lot of sod going down today.
Looks like they finally got it all. The rest of the property regraded, leveled out. So be ready to go for all those guys to just drop the sod down and we'll follow behind and raise our heads, move our heads, adjust them. Make sure we're good to go.
And we just need to keep up with the watering. It'll be hot.
Yeah.
Hot weather coming up. Yeah, see the Navy over there?
Yeah.
When we got out of the truck, I heard them. Having some kind of drill, aren't they?
Yeah, they're all marching pretty neatly. See, that's either a regularly scheduled march or somebody got them all in trouble. My friend graduated today.
Who?
My friend graduated today from tech school for air traffic control.
Did he?
Yep. He'll be home Friday. Be home for about 3 weeks, maybe a little more. Then he goes out to Cali.
Hey, Wilbur. Good, sir. How you doing?
Good.
Keeping up? Looks pretty good. Very positive guy here, isn't he? Ah, it looks pretty good. Yeah. Anytime after 1 p.m., 1 a.m. is like natural dew. So that's where you want to crank it out the amount of times, give it a good soaking, and then 2 more times during the day for 20 minutes a pop. That's what you need to keep up with this.
Yes, I was thinking just do a longer time, in the morning time.
Well, you were
like
thinking. You were
1
thinking that's part of the problem.
Do more time in the morning and
When you two guys start thinking together, I got problems.
Hey, we're pretty good.
Then I have to come down and start solving and fixing things again. So anytime after 1 a.m. is like a natural dew. So you want to get the water out, then give it a soaking, okay, in the ground. Then after that, 2 more times a day, if possible, because that'll keep it cool, and then on the surface. But if you get that water under there, it'll keep it cool, and it's got something to grab a hold of. So 1 a.m. is where you want to do the deepest soaking. But again, remember I was telling you the other day in the company meeting that you end up with the 28 hours and the 24 hours worth of water. That's what happens when you get a drought in a situation like this if you're not careful, okay? But you want to use every minute of it. So really, water should be running here almost, if you program it correctly, 24 hours a day, never stop. So you want to divide all your cycles into 24 hours and just have it repeat. It was pretty smart scheduling some people to come down here today, wasn't it? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, they're out in the water too.
Get picking.
Yeah. All right, we'll get ready to head out of here. Looking good, Wilbur. Nice work, sir. Always appreciate you. You're on the job site. I know it's being taken care of, sir. Thank you. And we're headed. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.